Did you know you are 7 times more likely to be successful if you're involved in peer support? There's an interesting study with heart patients, bypass patients, in fact, that made the cover of Fast Company a number of years ago in an article called Change or Die. If you haven't seen that, you should Google it. What it looked at were patients that had a bypass surgery, and they looked at that. One, it was very expensive, high relapse, very painful, and for most people, heart disease is controllable by lifestyle. So they started working with these patients, and they found that when patients were literally told by their doctors, if you don't change the way you're living, right, you won't be here 2 or 3 years from now. Right? Now, that seems like a pretty big impetus to change. You agree? Right? If you don't do something different, you're toast. The sad part was when they went back a year later and surveyed them, 90% of them had reverted back to their old lifestyle habits. And that's life or death. How much more difficult is it in your business? What they found, though, here's the good news. I don't want to leave you on that. The good news is that when they involved those patients in peer support, meaning they met with 1 or 2 other people once a week for just a few minutes, the success rate was nearly 80%. And we found the same thing in business. If you're willing to meet with a couple peers and keep it honest and keep it real, you'll do better. You'll perform better.